How to get $50 Uber promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in Uber coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, grab on. This is the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 25% off, 50% off, 20% cashback, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code. Now you can copy the code and head towards the website of Uber. Once you're in the website, log into your account, book your ride, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your ride. With that, you're going to get the discount in your ride. Likewise, head back. Once you're in this section, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once we're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon, as this is also the genuine website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber. So this way you can easily get up to $50 working promo code for Uber. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.